How did we get from room-sized behemoths to the sleek devices we carry in our pockets today? Let's take a journey through the fascinating evolution of computers. It all started in the 1940s with the ENIAC, the first general-purpose electronic digital computer. This giant machine weighed 30 tons and took up 1,800 square feet. Imagine needing an entire room just to do basic calculations. Fast forward to the 1950s and the era of vacuum tubes. These were used in the first generation of computers, like the UNIVAC 1. They were slightly smaller but still massive by today's standards. UNIVAC was actually the first computer to be used for business applications like census data processing. Then came the 1960s, and with it, the invention of transistors. This marked the second generation of computers. Transistors were smaller, faster, and more reliable than vacuum tubes. Computers like the IBM 1401 began to appear in businesses worldwide. In the 1970s, integrated circuits ushered in the third generation of computers. These chips could hold thousands of transistors, making computers even smaller and more efficient. This was the era of the mini-computer, like the PDP-8, which could fit in a single room. The 1980s saw the rise of personal computers. With the development of microprocessors, computers could now fit on a desk. The Apple II, released in 1977, and the IBM PC, released in 1981, became household names. This was the beginning of the computer revolution, bringing computing power to the masses. In the 1990s and 2000s, we witnessed the explosion of the internet and mobile computing. Laptops became more common, and devices like the Palm Pilot and BlackBerry paved the way for smartphones. The launch of the iPhone in 2007 was a game-changer, merging computing power with mobile convenience. Today, computers are everywhere. From our smartwatches to our smart homes, computing technology is integrated into almost every aspect of our lives. We've gone from room-sized machines to powerful devices that fit in our pockets. And the journey doesn't stop here. With advances in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and beyond, the future of computers is more exciting than ever. So the next time you use your smartphone or laptop, take a moment to appreciate how far we've come. It's been a fascinating journey, and it's only just beginning. Thanks for joining me on this trip through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.